Welcome to Emerald of Katong, a new luxury development in District 15, brought to you by the renowned developer Sim Lian Group. Spanning over 221,000 square feet, Emerald of Katong consists of 846 units in 6 towers, vast landscape, and bountiful of facilities catering to all. In Emerald of Katong, you will experience in your home thoughtful spaces and functionality unique to the development. Unit choices ranging from 1+ study to the exclusive 5-bedroom units. Staying in Emerald of Katong, owners will enjoy in their homes premium fittings with brands like Miele, Lofin, as well as Vintech. With a home in Emerald of Katong, owners will enjoy outdoor living at East Coast Park, the vibrant culture of Katong and Joo Chiat, and of course, shop at nearby malls like Parkway Parade and I-12 Katong. Top schools and the Thomson East Coast MRT line make this the perfect place for families and professionals alike. Emerald of Katong, luxury living in the heart of District 15, your dream home awaits.